Okay, Oink, give him your best shot. Why don't you shoot stuff out of your nose, Oink? There it goes. Look out.
Oh, you sneezed.
Oh, Oink, you sneezed? You breathe out smoke and everything, Oink.
Is that a firecracker?
No, it's a bottle rocket.
Huh.
Oink, oink, oinks. These oinks. What happened?
Try it again. Oh, it's gonna blow up still. It might. Just stay away from it for a little while. Give it a chance to totally cool off, Rick, okay?
Okay. Oink, that was weird. You sneeze, you breathe out smoke. Oink. You're a weird oink, aren't you, Oink?